so bad.
I took one on the ankle yesterday. It didn't feel very good.
What happened to me? So I had my gloves. I had them, I bunched them up, and I didn't pull them up all the way.
Yeah.
I pulled them up to like here, and they were wrinkled and bunched up. And I went back to that hive back there. Oh wait, no, we need like a minute. I wouldn't get up yet.
All right.
But I went back to that hive back there, and because I was going to start trying to pull food or trying to see if I could find a capped brood with no eggs in it. And so I took the 2 off at once. I took the top. That's a fantastic idea. Like somebody like the top, like say that's the top. Take the top off, flip it over upside down, and then set your box at an angle corner. It's the least potential touch points to crush bees. Anyway, I took that off, and then there's a frame that's stuck together on the frame. So I mean, I guess that's the biggest. All right, I'm ready.
I mean, I didn't see egg signs or anything. But...
Yeah, I checked the tape because I pulled it down because Tom didn't want it up probably because we were joking around some.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't edit those. It just automatically does that. Man, this is gonna be so hot. I can't do it. I just gotta go with it's too darn hot. I just gotta.
Don't get stung.
Yes, I know.
Friendly thoughts, and I just won't sting you.
Yeah, they got me so good. It's like back to the scene of the crime. I just have to trust the gear. It was my fault. It's always my fault. You know, if I get stung, if I've gotten stung so far, it's always been my fault. This one out on the outside's the underhanging part. So I think the one that was which one's which? I think this is, which one's the one that's queenless?
Left one.
This one. Hey guys. Yeah, they're already saying hi. Checking my gear. I don't have the tour. They stick into. You've got one. You always have some more. Give it a second. Give him one more smoke. Just one more. Oh, there's a hole in the back?
No. You just want to lift it on smoke, or you want to the front?
If you're square, it would. Like on your. Well, I should have just done it. Here. Get in the habit of doing it. Set it down like that.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
And then from that point, your touch points is here, instead of like against the whole bottom. And then I think the same way you would go about it on the next layer, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, still not a lot happening up here from yesterday.
Alright, that's cool. Very new seal on this. Nothing on there. Boy, they are aggressive, man. Smoke them a little bit more.
They're a noisy bunch. Pull that frame.
Which one? This one?
This one. I was amazed.
Well, they say that deep box filled with honey. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I bet it weighs all 20-30 pounds.
Look at that.
That is straight honey.
That's capped too.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
You want it? You alright?
Bring it closer. So nothing on this one. Okay, take another one. Sorry.
Capped honey. I got excited and thought that was a queen cell, but it's just drawn.
I'm just gonna take it off. I just peeled it off. Nothing there.
Another full frame of honey, but I didn't know what this backside was.
Cap brood.
Is that cap brood?
Cap brood.
Okay. And if you flip it over, that's just straight honey.
I'm gonna take this one to Bill's.
Okay.
I'll take this one to Bill's tomorrow morning. Because what that'll do, that will that will draw. It's like a lemongrass. It'll draw the nurse bees out, and it's at the point that the queen doesn't have the nurse bees. That's when she'd come out. So okay, so this is our resources. So everything else is set. We're going to leave the rest of it alone. Not sure what we're doing with this yet. So Tom's said he'd come and help us break down this one. Let's not touch this busted queen cell. Emergency. Here, take this other one. I need it. It's a little bit of a stretch for the room. Oh, you just dropped. What do you got? You're collecting pollen?
Huh?
You're collecting pollen?
No.
That's what you got a screen bottom?
That's all I had. I didn't realize. Oh, don't sting. Dang it. You dummy.
No, yeah.
Just trying to help.
See if you can get that other frame. How many frames we got? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we need to push many frames. Another one in there if we can. Because just push it down. Good. Get it. Slide it. Pop another one out. On the next one. We get a good one here. Isn't it so much fun how it's like almost like it's just a community of oh wait, hang on. One of these says cap brood. Which did I give you the cap? Which one's the cap brood? Did I just give that to? No, it's this one. This one. I think so. Up. I mean,
Yeah.
we don't have them all. You ready for another?
Well, I don't know which one I want to take out.
You got a queen in there, right?
Yep.
Let's put this one.
My best hive right now.
Which one?
This one.
Let's put this one in because it's got more kept. It's more like kind of established comb. Put that one in there. Okay.
Take them out. Which one do I want to take out? Excuse me. I want to take that one because it's got quite a bit of larvae on it.
What are you doing with this one?
I'm leaving it, I think. Yeah, I'll take this one out. Just a little bit of honey.
Mm-hmm. Dude, you're like such a pro. So impressive. Beyond any instruction necessary. How'd you get so good?
I just watch YouTube.
So you just literally just throw a little burlap in and it just takes off with that much.
Yeah, I put like 5 wads in there.
Interesting.
Oh.
Yeah, at some point we're gonna have way more honey, and we're gonna know what to be able. I did, yeah.
Okay.
It's all up there on the back. Let's see, how many more we got?
5.
2, 3, 4, 5.
These two are really pretty healthy. I don't know why he took the super off that other one, but I wasn't going to question it.
Look at Tom next time. Just say, Tom, I don't think you know what you're talking about.
Nah, I don't think I'll do that.
And say, and then challenge him to fight. Let's stick together. We're bringing in Tom.
BRB.
Take this too. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna stay here for a minute.
Okay.
So when you're doing a honey super, we only ever can have 8. Oh wait, 9. Is it 9 or 8? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll have honey. Oh my, it's heavy. I like that technique.
Now here's a question.
Yes, sir.
So to me, this looks like it's very full. If the bottom's very full, would you do a split or just hope they don't swarm during this time of year? Like, what's the sign before a swarm? Just bearding?
No, they're. I don't know, but let's put a resource in. I don't know. I don't. I would say what I would probably think more at this time of year is it's not a good time to start splits. Probably, yeah. You know, it's good. It's a good time to. Oh, did you hear? Sorry, you pulled it. You look. Didn't mean to take it from you.
You're fine.
That's just an empty frame. Let's put. Yeah, let's. You know we could.
Where'd your brood one go? I don't want to steal that.
This one right there. Let's see. Put this in there. Okay. Back on there. We should.
You want me to take the feeder out? It's empty.